What's good, KG fam? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys hit the like button as well. In today's video, I have no idea what the hell is about to go down. I don't even know what the title of the video is about to be. All I know is that it's Friday. I haven't slept for shit. I got the new iPhone today. I don't know if you guys are Apple fanatics, but you guys can skip this part of the video. Just want to go through a little quick rundown of what it looks like. If you guys are getting it, let me know what color you guys are getting. I got the midnight green. I think it's pretty sick, and I'm gonna, at the end of the video, I'm gonna post some photos with this camera and edit it and stuff, edit the pictures and all that. I'll put them at the end of the video so you guys can see what the what this bad boy can do. I'm gonna see what it can do. I haven't taken any pictures with it. I know that it has the ultra wide, which is like a super wide angle lens, so I'm gonna test that out, take some pictures of the car, post them at the end of the video. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to know what the box looks like, it's got that like midnight green color, black box around, 512 gigabytes, you can see. And if you guys are curious to know what the inside looks like, let me show you guys real quick. We got this little chair outside my house. Look, of course we got the traditional Apple, you know, little thingy where the stickers come, and then we've got the USB-C cable. So now it's no longer USB, it's USB-C and to lightning, so I think that's pretty cool. And then we also got a new dock for the, you know, wall. It's fatter this time, and that's where you plug your that's where you would plug your USB-C, and then obviously to the wall charger. Pretty cool. But yeah, that's pretty much that. There's 3 modes here, as you can see. Let me see if this focuses. This is like a regular picture, I guess, and then this would be more like a telephoto zoomed in type of lens, and then this one, negative 0.5, sorry, is the ultra wide. Holy shit, that's crazy. Ultra wide looks pretty sick. I think you can get some good photos and stuff like that, kind of like wide angle. That's pretty cool. Kind of dark now, I'm vlogging it, but Two-Face, Rick, Danny, me, Mario's back there wrapping his car, finishing the front bumper, and then we're gonna head out to this meet in Woodland Hills, DTP. Hopefully they're done with this car. Let's check what's going on back there. Damn, Mario's car. Everybody on the channel loved it, by the way. Huh? Everybody on the channel, they loved the bumper. I mean the bumper, the car. The chrome. Damn, look at, they got a mess back here. I come to Masterminds and I eat the ice cream. The bad thing about this ice cream, that's like the real like bougie one. This shit makes you choke. Oh, so good. Anyway, I guess they're not going to the car meet.
Yeah? Napolitano, bro. Oh my god. Hey!
Alright, what's good, what's good? So we're at the gas station currently. Rick is gonna put some gas. We're gonna wait for Aryan. I don't know if he's rolling with some other people. After that, we're gonna head out to DTP. I feel like this meet is gonna be really stupid packed, because so many people hit me up. I like promoted the shit out of this little meet, so hopefully it's pretty packed and I can get some good content for you guys. Just pray, I hope I do. Hurry up, bro. All right, so we're here at the meet. Got a couple cars, M3s. I have a feeling all this is gonna be packed. Just give it some time, all this will be packed. All of it. M2s, Camaros. It's just getting started. Oh, we got Isaac with the CS. The CS, bro.
KG, life for KG.
Dang. It's good, mafioso?
92.
What? I saw it fly by.
Yeah, I know. Fucking Josh, you got lost.
Just park anywhere or whatever.
Where?
Anyway. Frozen white. No, Javi's coming though with the frozen white too. Brian, M3 flight was good, Brian. What the? This one came all the way from Oxnard. I think we got Jason who's coming all the way from like Irvine. We got a bunch of sick cars right now. It's a good lineup so far. Javi pulled up. Oh shit. What's up, mafioso? Is that a frozen black? Park right here. Between the Maserati. Bro, there's a lot of good cars coming right now.
Yeah, I like the...
Dude, is this like a matte black? A frozen black? Damn. What's good, bro? Oh, you fucking copped it?
Yeah.
Damn, congrats, bro.
Thanks, G.
Damn, that's sick.
I should go right there?
Yeah, or you can park next to the. I think the Camry will leave soon. There's a parking next to it.
Alright, show them.
All right, so. Dang. The homie Russ. We got a Supreme E30. What the hell?
Russ?
Bro, this meet is gonna be lit. Big Mafioso.
Oh my god, bro.
The homie Russ. Yo. Is it Beamer Fest all over again? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good?
Wherever you
Park right there.
Wherever you want. Alright.
Oh my god. Stepped on the cones, dog. Good thing you didn't step on the lip, fool.
The wettest F80 in the valley.
Damn.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
The wettest F80 in the valley.
Damn.
I would say further than that.
BBS, carbon ceramic, CS. Wow. So basically, guys, this is coilovers, but comes with like a lift suspension, so you can go up and down. It's crazy. I'm gonna see this. So basically,
You gotta see where he pushes the button.
let me see the button. Wait, John, let me see it.
Awesome Toretto shit.
Let me see. Where's the button? Oh wow, that's crazy. Oh my. Do it again. Bro, that's so sick. And it's literally a switch, bro. That's so sick. Wow. Woo, the valves are open. Oh my gosh. This is a really clean F80. I think that's pretty cool that KW has a little cup suspension.
Not KW, dog. Fully custom, dog.
Oh, sorry.
Plug-in.
Fully custom.
That's the why it took 7 fucking
Sorry.
years, my G.
Damn. Nothing but Beamers in here. Except the Mozzie. We got a gold Mozzie. My bad. And we got the cone. We got the cone. The homie Black Prez. He just caught this E92 M3. He just got a Gintani exhaust. It's pretty clean. He's got all the carbon goodies. Damn, Brian's car looks clean. He's got the lib, carbon parts on TEs. Hey, Russ is moving to Oregon. He's moving to Oregon.
Say hi to like a YouTube.
He's moving to Oregon. He says because we don't like him.
Wow.
Wow, dude.
Big mafia.
Big mafioso.
I'm no cap.
No, you know what? He made $1 million today. Again. Holy shit. Wow.
I fucked up, bro.
Yeah.
This is gonna sound kind of.
No way, cars are parking on the side now. This is how you know it's getting packed.
Hey, Kevin.
Oh, Alcantara in the boot. Oh,
Damn.
everybody's just double parking in this parking lot, bro. Nobody cares.
I would have parked right there, low key.
Oh yeah, you could have taken a parking right there. Damn, bro, this shit is getting packed, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the? Bro, that sounds like them.
Oh,
No, bro. Oscar's girlfriend pulled up, and the M3.
Andre.
Tell him to park it. I'm gonna tell her to park inside. All right, so this is the current situation right now. We got hella cars. We got cars parked on the streets, everywhere. We got E60 M5s, 335s. Just so much parking. What's up?
Nothing. Off the camera.
Oh my! I cannot believe how many cars there is, bro. Oh my god. Watch out. Oh my. The homie Jared. The homie Jason from Irvine. Damn. What's good, Jay? What's going on? Just park inside. We got a parking for you. Big Jason.
Big Jay. Damn, look, watching the movies.
The homie M3 Renee. Damn.
Damn.
Oh, air up, air up.
Air up, fool. What'd I tell you, dog?
Ooh, E85. Ooh, you can smell the E85. Oh man. You don't want to scrape, homie? Damn, he barely cleared it. What the? A 1M. Dang. 1M, bro. So he was coming over here and he ran over a cone and it broke his thing.
Your car's down.
Damn, bro. That's
Salvage for that.
salvage. The homie Andre's here. Oh, damn. 2 E92 M3s? Dang. So many M3s, it's crazy as fuck. So he ordered my sandwich, and this is what it's called. I like that. The cops pulled up. Two-faced, and I think Mario just pulled up. Woo! They pulled up. They made it.
Bro, finally.
It's good. It's crazy, bro. It was so packed earlier.
Feel packed. Hey, what's up, bro?
Yeah, what's good?
Bro, you need to paint this shirt.
Oh, snap. Damn. Big mafioso.
Wait.
Oh my.
This way.
This way, yeah. Keep turning this way, Russ. Turn the wheel this way. Yeah.
Wait. The frog. Wait.
Okay, you're good. You're good.
Wait. The Camry.
No, you're good. Later, mafioso.
The Corvette.
Oh. Later, G.
Later, bro.
Later, Russ. Oh my God. Oh my god. What the? What is this standing on the M3?
Care, bro. It's on Carbon Road.
Oh, ambulance, bro. Something major happened. Oh, Brian, M3 flight.
Oh, Life of KG. Hey, you know.
Alright, we out here shooting. Look at this road. Shit's hella nice. While we wait for rest. You like the spot? Sick, huh? You gonna show me on your Android?